Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Translate and granting camera and storage access so the app can read text. Once done, pick the target language and either set the source or use detect language for convenience. Now tap the camera icon at the bottom. This launches live camera translation. You're doing this so the app can analyze text in real time, which is faster than typing. Make sure lighting is even and hold steady. The app needs a clear view to begin accurate recognition. Once in camera mode, choose Instant for on-screen live overlays or Tap Scan for a captured image that improves OCR accuracy. If text is small, pinch to zoom and center the words. That reduces recognition errors. Tap the shutter to freeze the frame, then drag corners or highlight specific lines to refine which text the app reads. You do this because a captured image lets Google Translate run clearer OCR and editing, so translated text appears cleaner, and you can, to finish, review the translated text and use the copy, listen, or share buttons to act on it. Conversation mode helps when speech or back and forth is needed. If translations look wrong, switch languages or rescan the area with better framing. For persistent issues, check lighting, clean the camera lens, and confirm app updates. You do this because poor image quality and outdated models cause OCR errors. If nothing works, restart the app and try scan mode again for improved accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.